Hello and welcome to today's video of the 30 Days of Etsy series. In today's video, I'm going to be going through sales, coupons and discount codes that you can use within your Etsy shop. So to get started, what you want to do is you want to sign in to your shop manager dashboard, and then to the left here where we've got all these different tabs. So what you want to do is you want to click on marketing here, and then it'll give you a new menu, and you just want to go to where it says sales and coupons. So just click on that and it'll take you to the sales and coupons section. So once you open up your sales and coupons section, what you're going to see is you're going to see an area for your targeted campaigns. You're going to see an area that describes your overall performance of all your campaigns, and then all the list of your individual sales and coupons. Now, as you can see, I haven't set anything up here, but once we do start setting these up, you'll see them appear down here at the individual sales and coupons section. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to just click here where it says new special offer, and it's going to give you three different options. So as you can see here, you can run a sale, so you can create a sale on your entire shop. You can send offers to interested shoppers. So what that means is you can automatically send a coupon to shoppers who've added one of your items to their carts or favorited something in your shop. So sometimes in life we can get a little bit busy. I know, as a busy mum, sometimes I put things into my shopping basket and then I forget to check out. So Etsy are giving you an option to send out a coupon to those people who've just forgotten their items, and they send this via email to the customer. And then on the very end, you've got create a coupon. So you can actually create a special coupon that you can share out to anybody and everybody. So you can share them out to people on your actual Etsy shop. You can use email marketing to send them out. You can use social media to send out coupons. So there's definitely different options in order to create special coupons and codes for your Etsy shop buyers. I'm just going to go through each one now, just so you know how to set them up. Okay, so let's go run a sale. So I'm going to just show you an example of what a sale might look like on your Etsy shop. I'm just going to go open up this tab here, and I've got Etsy open as a shopper. I've just clicked on home and living just to show you an example here. And if you go towards the middle here on the left, you're going to see special offers. So there's special offers that offer free delivery, and then there are special offers on sale. So if you click on sale, and then you just scroll down to the listings that are available, you're going to see that all the listings that are running a sale currently are going to show up. So if you were to run a sale on your store, this is what the customer is going to see. So here it's got the discounted price, and then crossed out in green is the original price and then the percentage off. So you can see that if you're a browser and you're looking at these items, this is really going to stand out. So if you want to offer your customers or the browsers of your shop a discount to kind of entice them to make a purchase, this might be a great way to do so. Okay, so let's go back to our shop dashboard. Okay, so let's run a sale. So it's easy as just running a sale. If you want some more information, just hover over this need help getting started, and it just gives you a bit of information on how you can get some help on that. But for now, let's just go run a sale. So it's quite simple. So I'd like to offer shoppers a percentage off. You can either create a percentage off, or you can create free standard delivery. So if we just go back to our example here, and see how we've got this free delivery highlighted section. That's also an effective way to create a sale for your items. Okay, let's just go back. For this example, let's create percentage off. Then you can choose a discount. Etsy gives you a predetermined list of discounts that you can use. So for now, let's just go 10% off. Now you can say where this offer is valid. So at the moment, it's offered everywhere in the world, or you can pick certain countries. Next, you can create a minimum order to qualify. So you can have no minimum order, or you can have a quantity. So for example, if your customers decide to buy 2 items from your shop, you can say, well, the minimum quantity is 2, and then they get the 10% off. Or you can create an order total. So this means spend $30 to get 10% off. Okay, so there's all these different options that you can use to create your discount code. For now, I'm just going to go none. So next you want to set your duration. So sales can run up to 30 days. Etsy doesn't allow you to create a discount over 30 days, but you can get around this by using coupons instead. But just take note that when you're using coupons rather than the discount code, Coupons can't be seen by just general browsers. Okay, so let's pick a date. So let's say we want to run it from today, and then we want to run this discount for a week. Okay, so that's for 7 days. Here it's got terms and conditions. So if you need to create any terms and conditions, next you want to name your sale. So you would just put in a code here. So you can create code 123 like they have, or you could put 10% off. I'll just go ahead and create that now. I just labeled it 10 for 7 days. So it's quite clear that the discount is only for 7 days. Okay, let's go to continue. Now is where you want to include your listings. Etsy made a few changes here because you used to be able to apply it to all your listings in one quick go, but now you actually have to choose all your listings one by one. You can actually use the sections area to add your listings. So if you have hundreds and hundreds of listings in your shop, this can sometimes be quite time consuming, but I'm just going to show you how to do this now. Okay, so you just want to add multiple listings. So just click on that, and then it's going to come up with all your categories. So all you want to do is you want to select the categories that you want to have your discount for. So I want the discount to apply to all my listings. So I'm just going to go pre-made logos, and then I'm going to click Etsy shop branding. Okay, so now all of my Etsy shop listings are created in this discount. Alternatively, you can search for single listings by just typing in the listing name here in the search area. Okay, so just review that that's what you want. You want to have 10% off all of your items, or if not, you can just have it for specific items. So if you say you didn't want to have it for the pre-made logos here, all you got to do is just press the X button and it'll remove it. Okay, so just go review and confirm. So it's just going to give you a brief overview. So you've got the discount type is a sale, you're offering 10% off, minimum order is none, the duration is between those 7 days, it includes 2 listings, the name is 10 for 7 days, and the sale details is none. Easy. And then just hit confirm and create discount. Then it's just going to give you a little notification to say that your sale is now live. So now anybody that comes to your shop will see that notification that there's a sale on your listing. Easy. Okay, so to review your current sales and coupons, just scroll down to the bottom here. And like I mentioned before, all your individual sales and coupons are going to be listed here. So it's easy to access. So you're going to know exactly what you're currently offering because it's going to be listed down here. So if you quickly needed to pause a discount or a coupon or delete or edit, it's really easy to do it just within this section here. Okay, let's go ahead now and create a couple more different offers. So let's go to new special offer in the top here. Now let's go send offers to interested shoppers. So go to setup offer. Now we're going to create an abandoned basket shoppers coupon code. So this is going to be for people who have left items from your shop in their basket. Very similar to what we've already done. You want to select a discount type. So this is a little bit different though, because you've also got an option to create a discount for a fixed amount off as well. Let's do that just for example purposes. So let's go fixed amount off. I'm going to create a $2 discount for anybody that abandons their basket and has any items of mine in their shopping cart. Then you just want to name it. Okay, so let's go review and confirm. So now we've got discount type, we've got a coupon for $2 off any abandoned baskets. Minimum order is not applicable, and including listings is the whole shop. And then we've got the $2 off is the code. Okay, let's go to launch campaign to create this offer. So now here it says success. So shoppers who qualify for this coupon will now get it automatically. You can also share it manually if you'd like. But when it's an abandoned basket like this, you want to create it specifically for people who abandon their basket. So let Etsy just do its work here. Okay, but if you do decide to share this, all you got to do is just copy the link here. Okay, and again, let's scroll all the way down, and here we go. That's our newly created offer. Let's scroll all the way to the top, and let's go create new special offer. Let's go in here again and create an offer for people who have favorited our items. Okay, so set up offer. Again, all we want to do, instead of clicking abandoned basket here, we want to go to recently favorited shoppers. So people who have favorited something from your shop. So let's click on that. Again, select discount type. For this example, let's do % off, and let's create a 10% off. Love 10 off. Oh, I don't know, something like that. You can have a play around with this, or you could just do, a number, have a play around with it. Sometimes it's fun to create something a little bit quirky and and fun inside this coupon code. So just have a think about it. Okay, let's go review and confirm. So again, we're going to review the details. So we've got discount type is coupon. We've got the offer of 10% off. We've got an audience of the recently favorited items. Minimum order is not applicable. Included listings is the whole shop. And then the name of the coupon here. Okay, let's go launch campaign. Again, very similar to the abandoned basket. Is going to have the exact same success message here. Okay, let's go close that off. You'll also notice that your targeted campaigns are going to come up here, and that is because Etsy advertises these campaigns by sending emails to your customers. So it's going to show you how many emails have been sent to your customers, and then down below, if we scroll all the way down, this is where you're going to get all more information about your individual sales and coupons. All right. Okay, one last special offer, and that is to create a coupon. Share it with anyone you like. Don't worry, shoppers can't discover it on their own. And also, again, you can just hover over here for tips for using coupons and it'll give you some information. I'll let you read that one on your own. Let's just go create coupon. Okay, so again, very, very similar to the very first discount that we created. So let's go here where you can select what kind of offer you're going to create. I'm going to do percentage off. Here I'm going to say 20. Let's go 25%, something a little bit different. Minimum order to qualify. I'm going to go, yes, there is a order total to qualify for this one. And I'm going to say a minimum order of $30. Depending where you're located, this may be in US dollars or wherever you're located. Now, Etsy also gives an option to create a thank you coupon. So if somebody purchases from you, you can actually create a coupon that will automatically send to the customer after they've made their purchase to say, thank you for shopping in my store. Would you like to perhaps buy something else from my store? This is a very clever way to get repeat customers for your Etsy shop, because if you've given a really good experience to your customers, this is a great way to increase the order value. Okay, so let's just tick that one. Next, we've got a duration. So considering offering coupons around these. Now, with these coupons, you actually get to create a no end date if you like. So you could put your start date as today, and then you could have a no end date. Now let's go customize your coupon code. I'm going to call this one thank you 25. Okay, now let's go review and confirm. And again, these are your review details of your coupon code. So the discount type is a coupon. You're offering 25% off. There's a minimum order value of 30 Australian dollars. The duration is starting today to no end date. We've got included listing is the whole shop. And we've got code thank you 25. And then we've got our shareable URL. So this code here is what you're going to use to share it on things like your social media, your email campaigns, things like that. You can even add it to some of your product listings as well. That's a great way to entice potential customers to make a purchase from your shop. Okay, let's go confirm and create discount. And then again, it's going to give you the success message. Your coupon is now live. Share it on social media to make the most of it. So what you want to do just to share that is just click copy link, and then that link can be shared wherever you like. Okay, so let's just close off there. Let's just scroll down to the bottom, and then here are all the individual sales and coupons we have just created for our shop. Now, I would recommend just having a play around with the Etsy coupons and discounts and abandoned cart messages, things like that, because not all coupons and codes work for all shops. So just, like I mentioned, have a play around with it. If you feel like it's not working for you, no worries. That's no problem at all. It's really, really easy to delete a coupon code or a discount code. All you want to do is go here. So see where it says see details and manage. And then it's going to give you all the details here. So to deactivate the coupon, just click deactivate coupon. And there you go, that coupon has ended. So it's just going to say here at the top here, ended. Just close off of that. Okay, so I hope that this was helpful. Like I mentioned, go ahead and play around with some of these sales and coupons and see what it can do for the visibility of your Etsy shop and for the traffic and potential sales of your Etsy shop. Okay, I'll be back here same time, same place tomorrow to continue the 30 Days of Etsy series. Bye for now.